Hey gang, real quick for anybody that has pulled a hair out before dealing with this. This is, you get the little sing-song load is finished tone from the washing machine. You come in here to get your clothes out and the lock hasn't popped. So I tried all kinds of stuff to get this to release. I've tried unplugging it from the wall, doesn't work. Anybody that's, and sometimes you fall into the trap of just having to run a whole new cycle, but you don't have to do that. And I don't know if anybody else has dealt with this, but actually I eventually figured out this is all you need to do. So now the machine is stopped, came in here, found the door locked, just turn the machine back on. Right, that's all. Don't do anything else. Then you come over here. And on this particular machine, we have a button for spin speed. Just go to no spin. Sets for 1 minute. Hit the start button. Goes through a little routine. And the lock just popped. Ta-da!